Hi everyone, my name is Red and in today's video, we're going to make espresso. Parang complicated, but it really is not that complicated. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I make espresso. A little disclaimer lang, this video is not sponsored by any of the brands that I mention or I show in this video. I wish. And also, I don't consider myself a coffee expert, but I did take a Barista 101 course, Coffee Culture Roastery, which is an artisan coffee shop here in Bacolod City. They sell amazing coffee beans. They serve amazing coffee recipes. Really good. If you want to know more about my experience with that course, I have a different video and it was like a long time ago. I'll put the link in the description box below. So I made this video to share my experience and to share the things that I've learned. And in this video, we're just gonna focus on espresso. According to Wikipedia, espresso is a coffee making method in which a small amount of nearly boiling water is forced under pressure through finely ground coffee beans. You'll know that it is espresso because it is concentrated and there is a presence of that beautiful foam called crema. A single shot of espresso uses between 7 to 9 grams of coffee or coffee beans, and for 2 shots it's 14 to 18 grams or even 21 grams depending on your coffee bean for double shot espresso. So the brewing time takes between 20 to 25 seconds. There are many ways to pull an espresso shot, but in this video I will use Breville Barista Express because this is what I have. This machine comes with a grinder, portafilter, and 4 types of baskets. In this video, I'll be using a double wall 2-shot basket. You can always experiment with different beans, grind level, and amount until you find the calibration that works for you. So this scoop is about 7 to 8 grams of coffee. Double that because we will be pulling a double shot espresso. If you want to get technical, you can use a scale, otherwise this scoop does the job. Push the power button to turn the machine on. Another tip, give the machine 20 minutes to warm up. Have the portafilter in place. It's always better that the cup is preheated. Moving on to step number 2, grind the beans. With this machine, you can set it to double or single dose. This can eliminate the need for a scale. The grind amount will depend on the coffee type. I'll be using the medium roast coffee from Starbucks and I put it on the setting. After grinding, give it a little tap with your fingers. Love the coffee. It's just so sad that some of those coffee goes to waste, but it is what it is. Put the portafilter on a level surface and give it about 30 pounds of force, evenly distributing your damping force in the basket. The coffee should appear nicely packed and even on all sides. Next, purge some water. This machine has a single boiler which switches between steaming and hot water. Just take a few seconds to check that it is hot water that comes out of the group head and not steam. So put the portafilter under the group head and lock in place. Then push that double shot button. It takes about 8 seconds of infusion time before water with the coffee starts coming out. And it takes about 20 to 25 seconds, more than that, maybe a maximum of 30, but more than that, you're likely to end up with a very bitter coffee. So that's all there is to it. If I missed anything, feel free to put it in the description box below. Otherwise, see you again on my next video.